Hey guys, I know you're very busy, but guess what? Your users and customers are busy as well. This is why everything has to be straight to the point. I'm going to share with you 3 quick fixes for your product page. Okay guys, we only have 2 minutes, so let's begin. The first fix is you have to structure your page correctly and make sure you highlight the most important words. Customers are going to scan your page, they don't have time for reading everything, so you need to think what are the most important things that you want them to know. Here's an example. We have here the same copy as we have here, but this time we've used highlighting, bolding, underlines, different colors and capital letters in order to highlight the benefits and the most important things that we wanted you guys to notice. You can see the difference between the same paragraphs. Second fix, make sure to check your mobile and desktop display and verify that you don't have any orphaned words. Here's a quick example. People are going crazy over this. Get yours while our special promotion is still live. As you can see, the word live was supposed to be here in the same line. Here's another example from this landing page. This is a headline from the ClickFunnels landing page. As you can see, the desktop view seems fine, but in the mobile view, the word theme jumped to the next line. So this is something that you need to keep in mind and fix. And the third fix is how to use numbers. Which one do you guys believe, this one or this line? You have to be very specific. Just giving a vague number isn't as good as using very specific numbers. So this is the first thing, start using specific numbers. And the next thing is when you're using numbers under 20, use letters like here and here. And once the numbers are higher, you can start using the numbers. We've tested this a few times and it's pretty amazing to see the difference in conversion even with these small fixes. That's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Facebook group.